Hey guys, what's up? Jeremy Shafer here. Check out this amazing tessellation that I didn't design. It is the classic brick wall tessellation, and it's a brick wall on both sides. This is a model that was designed about 40 years ago by Yoshihide Momotani. And I'm going to show you how to fold this, but I'm going to show you a slightly different version. You see, for this model, I just shifted the tessellation over. As you can see, it has 8 complete bricks. And what I also like about it is that it's iso area. So we have 8 bricks on this side, whereas we only have 4 complete bricks with the original model. And if you want to make even more bricks, I have a separate tutorial for how to make it from a 32 by 32 grid. Click here. But for the 16 by 16 grid exploding brick wall, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. All right, so for this exploding brick wall, I used a 6-inch square of kami, and that's what I'm going to use for this model. But you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. Let's begin white side up and fold in half. This model is a little tricky, but it's a lot easier than it looks. So let's unfold and fold this edge to the crease. As always, try to make really precise folds and crease sharply. And unfold, rotate, and fold this edge to the crease. And unfold and turn over. Now fold the middle crease, just pinch it up like this and fold it onto this crease. And when it lines up, flatten. So when you flatten it, you see you just make this new fold right there. And now let's pinch this crease and fold it up to this edge. And when it aligns, flatten. So it's like this. And now fold the bottom edge to this edge. Now turn over right to left and fold the top flap down on the existing crease and fold this edge to the top. And now completely unfold with the colored side up. Let's lift not the first crease, but the second crease. Lift it up and fold it onto the first crease, just like we were doing before. And flatten. So that's what it looks like. And skip this crease, but lift this crease up and fold it onto this crease. And flatten. And continue. And now fold the bottom edge to the first crease. All right, now rotate and fold this flap up, just like you're turning the page of a book. Make sure that it aligns like that. And fold this flap up. And so on. Oops, hello. Too close. Okay. Now fold the bottom edge to the crease. Now fold the bottom edge up 2 units. 1, 2. And fold it down. Let's do it again. Fold the bottom edge, all layers, 2 units. And fold all of the layers down. And now fold up 2 units and all the layers down. And turn over top to bottom and fold in half. Okay, now unfold, so we have colored side up, and we just divided it into 16 in this direction. Now we're going to do the same thing, but in this direction. So colored side up, fold in half. And I'm gonna go a little bit faster this time. Hopefully you get the idea, because it's really the exact same steps. Just switch of color. So unfold and fold this edge to the crease. If I'm going too fast, then you can either pause the video, or if you're using a desktop computer, then you could put it in slow motion. And unfold, and now turn over and lift this middle crease up onto this crease. And lift this fold up onto this fold. And fold the bottom edge to here. And turn over right to left, fold this flap down on the crease, and fold in half. And unfold, so the white side's up, and fold not this crease, but the second crease. Lift it up, fold it onto the first crease. And so on. And fold the bottom edge to the crease. Rotate. And fold this edge to here, like turning the page of a book. And so on. And fold the bottom edge to the crease. And here we go. 2 units up, 1 unit down. 2 units up, 1 unit down. And 2 units up, 1 unit down. And turn over and fold in half. Now unfold, so we're on the colored side. And, oops, fold in half. And now fold this bottom edge up 1 unit, like that. And let's take the back flap and just unfold it, like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Now we're going to take this crease and fold it to this fold. So it's like that. So we have 4 units here, and now let's go 4 units here and make a pleat right here. So that way we have 4 units and 4 units, and 2 units and 3 units. All right, now fold in half. And we're going to do the same sort of thing. So let's fold this edge up to the crease and let the back flap swing down. And now make this fold and fold it to here. So we have 4 units, and now go 4 units on this side. Make this fold and pleat it. So we have 4 units, 4 units, 2 units, and 3 units. All right, now turn over top to bottom, and now comes a fun set of moves. We're going to take this flap and fold it just like you're turning the page of a book. But right here, you want to squeeze these two edges together. Make sure that they align perfectly and flatten. So it's like that. And now we're going to do the same thing on this flap. So turn the page and pinch these edges together. Like that. And again here. Lift it up. Turn the page. And you really want to make sure that these edges align well. That'll make the next steps a lot easier. Now we're going to do the same thing on these layers right here. So what you're going to do is pick up this flap and like turn the page. And we're going to align here, but we're also going to align here. So it's just like this. Make sure it aligns perfectly. Like that. And same here. Drag it down. Swivel it. And fold this flap up. All right, so we just did 9 swivels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each one of those is going to become an iso area twist square. So let's turn over, and now comes the fun part. Rotate and separate these 2 points. So hold right here and just flatten them like that. If they get stuck, if you're having trouble, you could just kind of lift these flaps up a little bit and then they flatten easily. Like that. And now separate these 2 flaps. And separate these 2, like this. And here we have 3 twist squares. And let's continue like this. Separate here. That's number 4, number 5, and number 6. And 7, 8, and 9. All right, rotate, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bricks, and we have a 3x4 brick and another 3x4 rectangle here. So let's fold this flap up and this flap. Like that, and same on this 3x4 brick. And rotate and do the same on these 2 bricks. All right, now turn over top to bottom and fold this flap up like this, and same with this flap. Like that. And rotate and do the same thing here. 1, 2. And rotate. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 3x4, 3x4. Let's do the same thing. and turn over top to bottom and fold this flap up and this flap up. And rotate and fold this up and this one up. And we are done. Here's 8 brown bricks and 8 white bricks. So there you have it. Hope you guys were able to fold this, and if you were able to fold it, then I recommend trying to fold 32 bricks on both sides. And it's from a 32 by 32 grid. Click here for that tutorial. All right, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and I'll see you guys later.